Okay, so now let's review your previous lesson. Chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau ôn tập lại bài trước nha. Let's buy presents. Let's buy presents. Chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. Sweets, sweets. Balloon, balloon. Present, present. Cake, cake. Cart, cart, cart. Okay, now let's read all the words again. Chocolate, sweets, balloon, present, cake, cart. Okay, nào các em sẽ chuyển sang phần tiếp theo nha. Let's move on next part. Chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau chuyển sang phần bài hội thoại nào. Listen and read. It's Billy's birthday tomorrow. Let's buy presents. What does he like? He likes trains and cars. I like these balloons. No, Billy doesn't like balloons. He's scared of balloons. He likes chocolate. Okay. Billy is asleep now. Put his presents here. It's a surprise. It's a surprise. Good idea, Mom. Mom, Dad, someone's in the living room. Oh, Billy, it's 5 o'clock. Thank you for my presents. I'm 3 now. Ok, các bạn luyện tập ghi âm trả bài cho cô nhé. Bye bye guys.